How to lighten eyes in Photoshop or brighten eyes in Photoshop. Thank you for joining me for another video. I use two main techniques to brighten or lighten eyes in Photoshop. I use the dodge tool. The dodge tool is a tool that looks like a magnifying glass, and you just select it and then gently paint in the areas that you want to be lighter. That's the first technique that I use to lighten or brighten eyes in Photoshop. The second way I brighten my eyes in Photoshop is using selective color. I typically grab my magnifying glass tool and zoom into the photo so I could actually see what I'm doing. I then get my quick select tool and highlight the areas in which I want to brighten. I then go to my layers section, scroll down, go to selective color. I target my yellows and my reds. So for the yellow, you want to swipe left of the screen. For the red option, you want to move the slider to the right side. A bonus tip is using your dodge tool after you use the selective color option. That way you could fill in the dark parts of the eye to give it some life and some highlights. I typically lower my opacity first, that way it's not too bright and don't look like it's some type of horror villain from a movie. If you have any ways you edit your eyes in Photoshop, or if this provided any type of benefit to you, please let me know in the comment section. You have a blessed day.